Hello everyone. Let's take an important topic from electrochemistry, dry cell. यूजली a स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है इस पार्ट से सेल एंड बैटरी से कि प्राइमरी सेल क्या होता है, सेकेंडरी सेल क्या होता है, और राइट एंड रिएक्शन फॉर ड्राई सेल या लीकेज किस वजह से होता है प्राइमरी सेल्स में, या आपका लेड स्टोरेज सेल का इक्वेशंस क्या है, फ्यूल सेल्स का. यूजली 2-3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आता है सेल्स एंड बैटरी में से. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ dry cell. Dry cell, that one is also known as Leclanche cell. It is a primary cell. Primary cells are non-rechargeable. एनोड जिंक, एनोड पे ऑक्सीडेशन है तो जिंक चेंजेस टू Zn2+. कैथोड हेयर इज अ paste of graphite carbon with MnO2 with ammonium from electrolyte part changes into MnOH and the ammonia gas is released. So the cell get leaked or get corroded just because of this ammonia gas, which forms a complex with a zinc. So electrolyte used here is a moist paste of ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. Cell potential 1.5 volt and it is used in transistors and clocks. Next is a lead storage cell, which is a secondary cell, means it is a rechargeable cell, and the recharging is done by reversing a connection. Reversing the cell reaction क्या हो जाता है, recharging हो जाता है cell की. So anode here is lead, Pb changes to Pb2+. Cathode, that one is a grid of lead with PbO2. So PbO2 in the presence of electrolyte sulfate acidic condition changes to PbSO4. Electrolyte used here is a 38% solution of sulfuric acid. Recharging, that one is done by reversing the cell reaction and it is used in automobile and inverters. Fuel cell. Fuel here we use, that one is a methane, methanol, hydrocarbon. Here I am taking an example of हम यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन फ्यूल सेल. सो एनोड पर अपने पास क्या है, हाइड्रोजन H2 in the presence of OH minus, which is an electrolyte part, changes to a water. Oxidation takes place. Cathode is oxygen. Oxygen with water changes to the hydroxide part. Electrolyte used here is a aqueous NaOH or KOH. Catalyst, to accelerate the reaction we use a platinum or palladium, which provides its surface area. Product obtained here is a water. उसको condense करके drinking purpose में use करते हैं astronauts. So that's why it is used in a Apollo space programs. Efficiency of this cell is 70%. It is a pollution free and a continuous source of energy as long as the fuel is supplied here. So anode part H2, cathode O2, product is the water part, and the electrolyte used here is a KOH. Direct straightforward question आएगा कि write a reaction of oxidation half reaction and reduction half cell reaction or for the lead storage cell, या recharging कैसे करते हैं, या fuel cell के components क्या क्या है, anode, cathode क्या है,